So you are getting a mastectomy. Should you save your nipples? Well, the first question to answer is, are you even a candidate for a nipple sparing mastectomy? And I have a video that explains what makes someone a candidate for a nipple sparing mastectomy. So check out that video. If you are a candidate for a nipple sparing mastectomy and you're not sure if you want to save your nipples, I guess the couple points I want to make are: one, you don't have to save your nipples. You can always get a skin sparing mastectomies and have nipples reconstructed. The other is, if the cancer is within your nipple or very close to your nipple, you may not be a candidate for a nipple sparing mastectomy, and your general surgeon and oncologist will help you decide whether or not you are an oncologic candidate for a nipple sparing mastectomy. So in summary, there are two criteria that make someone a candidate for nipple sparing mastectomy: the anatomic criteria, which have more to do with the reconstruction, and the oncologic cancer criteria that have to do with, is it safe to leave the nipple behind? I explain all of the anatomic variables that go into deciding whether or not someone is a candidate for a nipple sparing mastectomy in a different video. Whether or not you should do it from an oncologic perspective is really a conversation between you and your general surgeon and your oncologist. In general, if the tumor is located more than 2 centimeters away from your nipple, it is safe to have a nipple sparing mastectomy. And saving your nipples or taking your nipples will not change your recurrence rate or your outcome, assuming that the cancer focus in your breast is more than 2 centimeters away from your nipple. To learn more, check out our website, where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page, and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.